Hello, and welcome to Learn Danish Now 365. Have you ever dreamed of speaking Danish fluently, confidently, and naturally? Maybe you're planning to move to Denmark, maybe you already live there, or maybe you simply love Scandinavian culture. Well, you're in the right place. Here at Learn Danish Now 365, I help you learn Danish step by step, every single day. You'll discover real conversations, clear pronunciation, useful grammar, and cultural insights that make the Danish language come alive. Each lesson is short, simple, and effective, perfect for busy learners like you. You'll learn how to introduce yourself, order food, speak at work, and understand the beautiful rhythm of Danish. With our 365 program, you can practice a little every day and see real progress faster than you think. So, are you ready to speak Danish with confidence? Subscribe now. Join the Learn Danish Now 365 community and start your Danish journey on today. Because every day is a new chance to learn something in Danish. Welcome to Learn Danish Now 365.